The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Because a lot of stars have aligned to push stock prices higher. Or do you think it's just gotten even that much more irrationally exuberant?
Well, I think that if you look at the growth that we've had in the stock market in the last year, and you eliminate the FANG stocks,
yeah,
the growth ain't so terrific. The average company is not doing that great.
And he's absolutely right. But when you listen to these cheerleaders,
the markets are in fuego.
And a lot's going right in the economy.
The economy also seems to be operating on all cylinders.
I love what's happening on Wall Street. I also love what's happening on Main Street. There is optimism in the land. The growth is real.
This is an historic day. This is the Trump rally.
Unbelievable. These guys will not tell you the truth. They want to make sure your head is in the sand. They don't want to tell you the truth. Now, why not tell the truth and then tell people, but stay in the market? Stay in the market. It's a rigged market to the upside. No question about it. It's controlled by about 145 people that own the Federal Reserve private banking cartel. And they're going to make sure this market goes up even more. But understand, we are in one of the worst divergence we've ever had. Where, in other words, the stock market is soaring and will continue to soar. But the economy is getting worse every day. Why don't they just tell the truth? Why don't they say, look, do you know why the market's going up right now? And by the way, the market went up 208 points, and then it dropped off to 200 points. Now the market's down negative 4 points because they said, oh, well, we're worried that they may shut down the market. Shut down the government tomorrow. That's not going to happen. That never happens. They always they got this little secret deal they do. I forgot what it was called. And they will never let the government shut down. Bunch of nonsense. But here's what it tells you. A stock market's up 280 points, and they come out with a rumor they may shut down this market. Shut down the government because they may not fund it. And it wipes out 280 points? No. That has very little to do with the rumor that they're going to shut down the government. When you drop 280 points, you got some serious stuff going on. And what you have is you have an economy from within that's imploding, but nobody wants to talk about it. Varney doesn't want to talk about it. Payne doesn't want to talk about it. Bartiromo doesn't want to talk about it. People on CNBC don't want to talk about it. They don't want to tell you the truth. But they should tell the truth and then say, stay in this market. But the problem is they just want you to believe that everything is just fine. He's right about the FANG stocks. The FANG stocks, if you look at the S&P 500, take these FANG stocks, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, Google, and then add to that Apple and Microsoft. They're about 10% of the S&P 500 companies. Now, even if you add, let's say, Visa, Home Depot, and McDonald's. So you put those all together, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, Visa, Home Depot, McDonald's. You know they account for half of the 17% in total returns this year on the S&P. Half. That's called bad breath. That's called bad breath. That is so dangerous. You got a handful of stocks that are responsible for this whole rally. That's the analogy I use all the time. You own a restaurant. You got a restaurant that has a seating capacity of 200, but you only have 5 customers every night. The same 5 customers, and they spend big. They spend the same amount that if you filled up the room with 200. They're big fat guys and they just want to eat. They love eating. They spend the same amount of money. Guy goes home every night. He's happy. Tells his wife they're going to build a new house. They're going to put a pool in here. They're going to buy a house in Aspen. They're making so much money. But he fails to realize if one of those customers, one of the 5, gets a chicken bone caught in his throat and dies, it's over. It's the same thing with the stock market. That's called bad breath. But in the meantime, make as much money as you can. The money that we made this year, my gang, if you go back, or let's go back to 2017, all of our money was made in oil and made in gold. You just got to know when to get in and when to get out. And you don't listen to these knuckleheads, to these jibber jabbers, to tell you when to get in and when to get out. Because their job is to make sure you get in, and their job is to make sure you don't get out. That's how they make their money. So oil, let's take oil. Using my MV2 chart, my chart, I knew when to buy my oils and my golds. And it was not hard. In fact, it's interesting, if you look back on 2017, the Dow hit a record high 71 times in 2017. Now, 2017 isn't long ago. This is only January 16. This is like 17 days ago. I like it when they flip a calendar. It's like, oh my God, something new started. Nothing started. Just somebody flipped the calendar, changed the calendar. But if you take a look at 2017, the Dow hit 70, a new high, record high, 71 times. Are you nuts? The biggest pullback was 2.8%. We haven't seen a pullback of 2.8% or less since 1995. The first trading days of this year, 2018, the market hit a new record high each day. The last time we saw that was back in 1964. This rally is associated with a weak dollar, yet no one wants to hear about the weak dollar. A weak dollar is also associated with what? A weak economy. But do you think these guys want to talk about a weak economy? No, they don't want you. They're not going to tell you that the weak dollar is associated with a weak economy. They're going to just keep telling you buy, buy, buy. And you should buy, buy, buy. If you're not in this market, you got to be nuts. But you got to know when to get out. That's the key. When to get out. Any dope can make money in this market. Any dope. It's getting out is the key. Is the key. In fact, Aunt B lied to us. Remember Aunt B said, remember during QE time, in other words, when the stock market crashed in 2008, the banks were broke. Banks wouldn't loan to each other. Remember that? And that's why we crashed. Because usually banks will loan to one another at night, overnight. They stopped doing that because they didn't trust each other's balance sheet. And that's how the market crashed. So the Fed came in, the Federal Reserve, a private banking cartel, our owners, the people that own us, 145 of them, they decided they would step in. And what they would do is they would make sure, they said to the banks, we will buy from you all of your mortgages and other at your treasuries, and we'll give you $4 trillion. So now you're up and running again. And so the private banking cartel bought mortgages and treasuries and put it on their balance sheet so they'd have cash. Now, they've got to sell that. You got to sell that cash. You got to get rid of those. You got to sell them again. The Federal Reserve, our owners, have to sell those. And they said they were going to. Aunt B said, we're going to start selling those. Well, of course not. They lied to us. Why would they sell those when they made $30 billion in profit holding them? What are you, nuts? Why would they sell them? This is nuts. They lied to us. We'll be back with more and show you how to make some money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
The stock market is at an all-time high and continues to go up, up, up. We want to keep it going.
What a great time to join philsgang.com and take advantage of Phil's MV2 video program. Phil picks the stocks. You watch the videos, follow Phil's instructions, and make profits. It's an easy way to be invested in the market with no time involved. Sign up at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. And join Phil's Gang today. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, it's amazing. Did you see what Trump did? Remember I told you, if I see he does something wrong, I am going to speak up and tell him he did something wrong. I know him well. I like the guy. I support him. But boy, when he does things wrong, I'm going to say so. This is not a team sport. Over the weekend, when our minds are off Wall Street, he turned around and he pardoned the biggest banks: Citigroup, J.P. Morgan, Barclays, UBS, Deutsche Bank. Remember the big fraud they were involved with, the LIBOR rate? Remember when all the banks got together and they said, okay, we're going to capture all the commodities, silver and gold, and then what we're going to do is fix the prices, and they made a whole bunch of money, and they were off, and they got caught. He forgave them. He pardoned them. Can you imagine pardoning these? I mean, that's unbelievable. He takes the 5 biggest crooks, J.P. Morgan, especially J.P. Morgan, a gangster operation. And the reason he did it, one of the banks, was Deutsche Bank, which is the biggest bank, because, remember, he owed Deutsche Bank a lot. I know he got talked into this, because Deutsche Bank was the only bank when he was going down. Remember, he never filed bankruptcy. Everyone thinks he filed bankruptcy. He never filed bankruptcy. The only thing that ever filed bankruptcy wasn't him, was his casino. And his casino filed bankruptcy, a corporation, not him personally. People don't get that. Oh, he filed bankruptcy. He never in his life filed bankruptcy, personal bankruptcy. So no banks would bail him out when he was going down for the count, except they came to his rescue. And he never forgot that. He never forgot that. And he now owes him about $300 million in deals before he became president. His sons are doing, and him are doing in Chicago and other places, $300 million. So he forgave them. Now, I'm sure he couldn't just forgive Deutsche Bank because it'd be too obvious. He owes them $300 million. They did a great turn for him. If it wasn't for them, he would have been bankrupt personally, been the end for him. They'd been over. And they saved him. They saved his whole life, his whole financial career, everything. But still, that doesn't make it right. That is really bad. Unbelievable. Terrible. So that's what's going on with that. And I always tell you, when I see he's doing something wrong, I'm gonna speak up about it. That's really bad. All right, let's make some money. What's going on? Okay, first of all, the economy, people don't understand what's going on at all with this economy. See, the problem is nobody wants to tell you the truth. They don't want to tell you. They're lying to you. I mean, it's pretty easy. You look back at 2017, the Dow hit record high 71 times, right, in 2017. The S&P, the largest pullback was 2.8%. We haven't seen that since 1995. The first 5 trading days, 2018, the market hit a new record high every day. We haven't seen that until back to 1964. And the rally is all due to a weak dollar. And what does a weak dollar mean? A weak dollar is associated with a terribly weak economy, which is not good for the economy. But the stock market is excellent. So the very, very wealthy are getting very, very rich, while the economy is getting very, very bad. Terribly bad. But nobody will talk about it. They're all telling you how everything is great. So Aunt B, remember, she was going to unload all the treasuries. Remember, the Federal Reserve bought the treasuries from the 5 banks, gave them the cash, $4 trillion, put it on their balance sheet, and then she said, okay, now I'm going to sell these treasuries. When you sell treasuries, the yields keep going up. And what happens when the yields go up, when you sell treasury, the dollar goes down. And when the dollar goes down, the stock market goes up. So doesn't gold, the commodities go up. So she saw what was going on. They lied. They haven't sold one of these treasuries. Matter of fact, they're making money on them. They made something like $11 billion last year on them. They're not selling them. Why would they sell them? I'm sorry. I think they made like one. I'll check the number. But they made a whole bunch of money on it. They make a lot of money on it. So they're not selling the treasury. So we're being lied to. So the whole deal is, if you really think about it, These banks, who's making money in this market? Who is it? Everybody thinks everybody's making money in the stock market. Very few people are making money in the stock market. If you have a 401k, you are not going to make money in the stock market. It's not going to happen for you. It's impossible. People in 401ks, you're not going to make money. First of all, because it's fees. The fees kill you. The fees kill you. Think about this way here. If your income, and you're the working person, let's say you're the main income of the house, you make 55 grand. You need 700,000 to retire. You're never going to get there with a 401k. Never. If you start at age 25 and save $200 a month, say you got a 7% return, you'd end up with 622,000. Now, if you're 35, the same 200, the same 7%, the same amount of years, you end up with 272,000. And in other words, the more you go out at 45 years old, you the same $200 a month, the same 7%, you get 110. So it starts from 622,000 down to 272 when you're 35. At 45, instead of making 622, you're down to 110,000 retirement money. If you start putting money away at 50 years old, you're down to 65,000. So you go from 622,000 retirement when you start at age 25, saving $200 a month with a 7% return. And let's say you go down to 45 years old. You start at 45. You go from 622 down to 110. Now that's not bad. That's bad. That's horrible. That tells you got to start saving early. But you got to make sure that you're not paying huge fees. And the problem with cost of 401ks, you're paying 7 times more in fees than you would with an ETF spider. That's where you make with the spiders. We have the spider. Part of our video stock is the spiders. We're up over 10% in the spiders right now. Where I guide my stock video every night. I guide what you do, what you're supposed to do with a spider. But that's where you're going to make money. You can't make money. So when you hear how this market's fantastic, nobody's making money except for the very, very wealthy, because it's the fees are a killer. So you take for example any ETF. You always make more money with an ETF. Mutual funds are skimmers, and I'll tell you what they're doing to you and why you can't retire having a 401k when I get back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
The stock market is at an all-time high and continues to go up, up, up. We want to keep it going.
What a great time to join philsgang.com and take advantage of Phil's MV2 video program. Phil picks the stocks. You watch the videos, follow Phil's instructions, and make profits. It's an easy way to be invested in the market with no time involved. Sign up at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. And join Phil's Gang today. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with a specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil Grandy is a career businessman who's also been an entrepreneur all his life. He's used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with the prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Now they're all starting to talk about safe haven, safe haven, safe haven. This is what you start hearing before the crash starts, right? Listen to this stuff.
The safest place to be, I have to raise the issue, is cash. Because I don't know that there's any safe havens.
Now, there's no cash. Just go to cash. Yeah, that's smart.
The stock price of a lot of the quality stocks in particular, they've gone straight up over the last couple of weeks, considerably up above where they were just recently. Trimming some of...
No, just stay with them. As long as you have a chart just telling you when to get out, you stay with them. You ride that bull. Stay with it. As long as you got an idea, when do I get out? And that's what I focus on all the time with my MV2 video stock. I'm right there with you, and I tell you we're getting out. I'm going to give you an example in a minute. Don't listen to this stuff.
This is still the same rally that we've been in for the better part of the past 8 or 9 years, and it still has the Fed's thumbprints written all over it.
That's the truth. The only reason this market goes up, not because of what the economy is doing, because the economy sucks. It's going up because of cheap money. Cheap money. Don't ever forget that. Whatever these people tell you on Fox or anywhere else, it's all a lie. It's all cheap money. Now, when you take and think about this. On June 2017, oil hit a low of $42. Today, it's at $64. The Wall Street brokers, all the big brokerage houses, Goldman Sachs, J.P. Morgan, Morgan Stanley, all the bubbleheads, all the cheap suits, They're all telling you not to get in, don't get into oil. That's when it was at $42. Then you have the experts on Fox Business, Stuart Varney and Charles Payne, and you have all these experts telling you not to get into oil, not to get in oil. But guess what I was seeing? And they said, oh, by the way, oil is going to go to $30. This is when oil was at 42. And I looked at my chart, the chart I designed. I designed this chart because it follows, I know what people are looking for. It follows the institutional money. That's who you follow. You don't listen to these people. You follow the money. You follow the money. So the money, we saw it trickling in. My chart showed it was trickling in. I'm not going to listen to these bubbleheads. Are you kidding me? So I started, my chart, my MV2 chart, started to identify all this money started to come in. Not a lot in the beginning, but a little bit. And the institutions, started to use their dirty trick. The first dirty trick they do is they put in sell recommendations. When a stock has dropped from $60 down to $10, the first thing they do is they put in sell recommendations. Sell, sell, sell. Why? Because they want to scare anybody out who's still in there because they're cowards. They want to make sure when they get in, nobody's there. So there's all kinds of sell recommendations. So stock goes from $60 down to $10. Right at $10, you think they're putting a buy recommendation? No, they're putting a sell recommendation in, and that's when they're buying. When they have a sell recommendation, they themselves are buying. I can spot that on my chart. Wall Street uses this tactic to scare people out, to make sure there is nobody left in these stocks to sell. No selling left. That's what they do. So by August now, in June, I saw it was at $42. By August, my MV2 color-coded chart identified that the institutions were buying, not selling. Now, in the meantime, everybody's telling you, oh, stay out. Oil's going to go to $30, going to go to $20. Nonsense. And then all of a sudden, we started to see more brokerage houses, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, J.P. Morgan, Bank of America. They all started to put sell recommendations on. But I saw money coming in. So I knew exactly what they're doing. So we started to buy. We started to buy oil. We started to buy MPC. It's one of my favorites, MPC. We bought MPC, and we also bought MRO. So our MPC went up 30%. Our MRO went up 14%. Our XES went up 10%. Our rig went up 14%. We did beautifully. We did beautifully on those. Today, we're still holding. We're still holding because I didn't get a sell signal on my chart. So we're still holding Valero. Valero, remember, we got in Valero. It was back in August. We got in around $42. We still own it. It's up 130%. We held on to Oxy. We got in at $60.68. It's up 13%. So we got Valero that's still up 130%. We did the same thing with gold. But here is the key. We knew when to get out of MPC, which is a refiner, and take 30% profit. We knew when to get out of MRO, take 14%. XCS take 10%, rig take 14%. See, that's what you're not going to know when you're with a 401k. Nobody's going to look and tell you to get out. They don't want you to get out because if you get out, they're going to get upset. They're going to get grumpy because they make money on how many people are in. That's right. They make money on how many people are in and how much money is in that account, not letting you out. So, but in my chart, in my color-coded chart, and on the video, I do a video every night for you. So any of the stocks you're in, I tell you exactly when to get out. So that's how we held on to 30%. We never gave a penny of that back. 14%, 10%, 14%. Never gave any of that back. And right now today, we still own Valero. That's up 130%. And Oxy, that's up about 13%. Those two, we're still holding on to those. And we'll keep holding on until we get a sell signal. See, look, everybody tells you how wonderful the economy is doing. They don't want you to know the truth. They don't want you to know. The truth is the economy sucks, but nobody wants you to know. Look, U.S. bankruptcies are rising at a historic level, even more than after 2008. Our U.S. bankruptcies are rising at levels now we've never even seen in 2008. We have more business closings than we have new business opening. We've never seen that in history. Never. Industrial production and industrial productivity, which gives us our quality of life, is declining. Matter of fact, between 2016 and 2017, we saw a decline in industrial production and productivity 9 months in a row. We never saw that. Commercial bankruptcies, we've never seen them rise this fast, and it hit a 7-month high. We never seen that. Delinquency rates on commercial and industrial loans are now rising since January 2015. Here we are in January 2008. They're still rising. But well, you wouldn't know any of this. You would not know any of this unless I was telling you. Total business sales in the United States have been steadily dropping since the middle of 2014. Factory orders have been dropping like a flying crowbar since 2016, and at one point between 2016 and 2017, dropped 18 months consecutively. Nobody tells you that. No. Instead, here's what they tell you. They keep telling you this instead.
The markets are en fuego.
And a lot's going right in the economy.
The economy also seems to be operating on all cylinders.
See, that's what they tell you. I'm telling you the other stuff. But see, nobody wants to hear it. Nobody wants the truth. So here's what you do. We don't care about that stuff either. As long as my chart is going up, and as long as Valero's up 130%, my other oils are up 17%, 13%, all I'll do is I will get out when the institutions are getting out. I'm totally independent thinking. I'm not in bed with anybody. And so if you join my gang and you're part of the video stock group, every night I do a video for you. I got one now that's a very exciting one, okay? Very exciting one that we're working with. It's PZZA, P-Z-Z-A. And we got another one, Merck. We got in Merck last week. I begged you to get in. And it broke out at $57.54, and today went up to $64. Yeah, let me repeat that. I begged you. I said, why don't you join? Follow my video stock. I said, I'm doing a nice little stock. I said, it's Merck. I'm going to make it my video stock. I'm going to tell you exactly when to get in, when to get out. You don't have to do anything. And it went from $58, and it shot up this morning to $64. It went up 10%. Now she's pulled back a little bit, so it's up about 8% now. But my point is any idiot, okay, could get lucky where it takes off and goes up. But you know what? Where it comes important is when I get you out of Merck. So let's say you're up 8%, 5%. What's important is when do I get you out? And my stock video always tells you when to get out. Sometimes we do one, sometimes we do two. I know you're busy. I know that you could care less about all this crap going on in the stock market. You just want to make money. I get it. So join. Here it is. Join my gang, 877-600 gang, and follow my stock video tonight.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, my name is Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Most people would love to be in the stock market, but they're scared not being in. They're scared about not getting out in time. Well, that is over, because now you can join Phil's Gang and my stock video program and follow me with specific stock on the video, and you will be out in time.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know what the biggest problem with the stock market and why people stay out of the market? Because they don't know when to get out. Well, those days are over. I have a new system. It's called the MV2 Video Stock System. I choose one stock. You follow that video. Do exactly what I tell you. I tell you to buy, you buy. When I tell you add on, you add on. When I tell you to sell, you sell. When I tell you to run like hell, you do.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, Phil'sGang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and Phil'sGang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at Phil'sGang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, most people have been watching the stock market go up, up, and up. Well, guess what? There's one problem. When you get out, most people don't get out in time, and that's why you lose money. Well, I've solved that. With my video stock program, I pick the stock, put it on the video, tell you when to get in and when to get out. Join my video program.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Best 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Let's go to Marissa in Missouri. Marissa!
And I wanted to know if Estee Lauder, symbol EL, is still a good buy.
Fabrizio! Buy him! Get on the bus of Fabrizio.
Get on the bus. You know the stock he's talking about is up 78%. He's telling this person to buy after stock is up 78%. He's telling you to get in. Now, is he going to be there to tell you when to get out? No, and he wasn't. And guess what? The stock right now is starting to collapse. The stock, if you put it up on your chart, EL, is starting to collapse. So she doesn't know it. He doesn't know that the institutions are pulling their money out of it. I know because it's the chart I designed. Now, let's take UNG gas. This was one of my video stocks that I gave to my students, okay, my gang members, and it went up. It fell 48%. I buy them when they're on sale. It went up 10%. I got them out. It said, okay, institutions are pulling out. It dropped down. Okay, dropped down about 8%. We just kept one share. We made our money, put our money in our pocket. Now she's back up again. Now she's up about, I think she's up about 5% again. But the point is, anybody can get in, but I got them out of UNG in time, so when it dropped, they were out. Now we're back in it again. That's the key. You don't buy stocks that are up 78%. You buy UNG when it drops 48%. Doesn't that make sense? Don't you want to buy stuff on sale? My God, you go to a store to buy food, and what do? You take a melon, you squeeze it and smell it and kick it and stomp on it, and you go to the store to get a shirt, you pull up a package and you smell the material and you send it to a scientist to check it out, and then you bring it back and then you may buy it. But you listen to this idiot, Kramer. She did. Now she's losing money. Take Pisa. Now, Pisa is down 37%. So that is one of my stock video stocks. So I will tell people, okay, here's where we're going to get in. Here's where we're going to add to our position. Okay, let's add some more. Or I'll say, let's take some off. Or I say, let's run like hell. You haven't got to do a thing. You haven't got to do nothing. Try it. Because if you're in a 401k, think of it this way. You are going to be paying $4.45 on every $1,000 you're invested with a fee. On an ETF Spider, which we're up over 10% right now, I believe. I'll double check it. That's one of our that we have on our video stocks. I got everybody, we're up 10%. I got everybody in at $252 because I could see the institutional money coming in. And now it's up at 200, and the high today was at 280. So we're up 10%. But see, but 11%. But guess what? Here's the beautiful thing. Any idiot can pick stocks today and go up because they all go up. Because Trump is going to make sure they all go up. He's rigged this market. It's financially engineered. It's like having a central government and when Russia was all communism. Same thing. He's running this market. He's going to run this market. And here's what happened today. We were up 280 points this morning, and they wiped it all out except for 20 points of it. You don't think something's wrong with the market? But you don't get scared and get out. Now they're all starting to talk about, safety. You better, what's a safe haven?
The safest place to be, I have to raise the issue, is cash.
Oh, yeah, that's the last thing you want to be in. Yeah, cash. The dollar is getting killed. The dollar is down 14% since what? Not even the last year. What, the last 8 months, we're down 14% the dollar. We're down 40% since what? 2 years ago. Oh, yeah, I'm going to get into a dollar. That's really smart. No. You don't go and run to cash. You get into a stock that's beaten down 37% like PZZA. You get into Merck that's on sale at 19%. You get on these oil stocks. Look, when I bought MPC, it was down almost 42%. Then we caught it on the way back up 30%, and we got out. It was the same thing with Valero. But Valero, we still are in it because the chart's showing us the institutions aren't taking their money out. So every night when it's on my video stock, I say to the folks that watch my video every night, here's what we're going to do with Valero. Just stay alone. Just leave it. Just leave it. Because I have no indication on my algorithms. The chart I designed is patent. It's my chart where it deals strictly with watching the money of these institutions. They're not pulling the money out. Just believe this. You will make money in this market if you know when to get out. Otherwise, it's impossible. You cannot make money in this market if you don't know when to get out. And you also can't make money in this market if you're in a 401k. It's impossible. It's impossible. How can you make money with the fees the way they are? And plus, don't forget, they also skim from you. Every month, they skim from you about $220 million. They skim it right off the top. There's no way. You deduct 2% a year for investment costs and pay 1/4% for what's left to Uncle Sam, lose another 2% to inflation. You're left with 1% a year. It takes you 70 years to double your money in a 401k. Are you nuts? You know that most people have no idea there's any fees. Most people don't know that they're paying custodial fees, legal fees, transfer agent fees. They have no idea that they're even paying sub-transfer agent fees, record-keeping fees, parking tickets. That's right, parking tickets. You don't even know that. You're paying parking tickets, okay? And Christmas parties. You're also paying Christmas party fees. This is what they charge you. The beautiful thing about these mutual fund guys, they pay for nothing. They have no expense. Why do you think they make so much money? You pay for the brochures. When you come in the office and you pick up the brochure, and this nice brochure, and they're going to make you rich, beautiful color-coded brochure. Put it down. Tell them to discount it. You don't want to read it because you're getting charged for the brochure. You're getting charged for every office expense. Tell them to take the coffee pots out. You don't want to pay for the coffee. Why should you pay for the coffee? You don't want to pay for the brochure either, do you? Of course not. You want to pay for the telephone and electricity? Why should you? How about the parking fees? And when they tell you park downstairs, you got to have a ticket, and then all of a sudden you didn't get out in time, now they fine you. You got to pay for that. How about toilet paper? Why are you paying for toilet paper with your 401k? You are. How about the cleaning supplies? You're paying for Windex to have them clean the windows, and you're also paying for the thing to come down outside the building and clean your windows. Tell them you don't want the windows cleaned anymore. You know what kind of fees you're paying?
Wow.
Are you nuts? You can't make, it's the biggest skimming operation in America, in the world. $225 million a month they're taking from you. And you think you can make money in a 401k and you don't even know what the hell you're doing. And I say, most people don't know the consequences of 401k. Most people don't even know there's any fees. Please, you got to use your head. So yes, this market is going to continue to go up until Trump decides it can't go up anymore. Or until China blows this thing up. So I want you to think about this. You invest $976,000. You're in a 401k. You leave it in for 20 years. You have a return about 7%. You should have $3.9 million. Do you know how much of that 3.9 they take away from you? $600,000 in fees. Now, if you join my gang and you're doing an ETF spider, where I just tell you what to do, you just follow my instructions, takes 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, 1 minute a day, the same you'd be left with at the end, instead of 3.9 million, where they're going to take 600,000 fees, they take 86,000 in fees. 86,000 fees compared to 401k, 600,000. The S&P averages from 1928 to 2017, 10%. You know what the stupid 401ks? 4%. Some years you even do 5-6%. But what? Even if you get 8%, what good? They wipe you out. They wipe you out. Do you know the last 5 years, 401k returns were half of the spiders? So you join my gang tonight. Every night I do the video stock spider, SPY. And I tell you when we're going to buy it, when we're going to get in, how much. I'm going to tell you when to add. You decide how much you want to add. That's the only thing I don't tell you. I tell you when to add. You got to make up your own mind how much you're going to add. That's subjective. And then the most important thing, I'm going to change your life. I'm going to change your financial life. You can sleep at night because no more do you have to worry you're going to wake up and the market's down 500 points. We're going to be gone. We're going to be totally gone. So the 401ks are a total joke. Total joke. And let me tell you, if you think this economy is doing good, ask yourself, why are U.S. bankruptcies rising at historic levels? Why? You don't go to cash, you come to Phil's gang. 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Try it for 4 weeks. That's all. $39.95. Just try it. It will work. It will change your life.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors. And we also recognize that your time is valuable, so we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions.